Service entrance cable, or SER cable, requires secure and reliable connectors for a safe and code-compliant electrical installation. The ideal connector offers ease of installation, robust protection against environmental factors, and a long service life. Modern SER connectors provide several advantages over older designs. These advantages include improved sealing, better strain relief, and faster installation times. When selecting an SER connector, consider the following factors. Firstly, cable size. Ensure the connector is rated for the specific diameter of the SER cable you are using. Using an undersized connector can damage the cable, while an oversized connector may not provide a secure fit. Secondly, material compatibility. Choose a connector made from materials that are compatible with both the SER cable jacket and the enclosure to which it will be attached. Dissimilar metals can cause corrosion over time. Thirdly, environmental rating. Select a connector with an appropriate environmental rating for the installation location. For outdoor applications, look for connectors that are watertight and UV resistant. Fourthly, ease of installation. Consider connectors with features such as quick connect terminals or pre-lubricated seals to simplify installation. Fifthly, code compliance. Ensure the connector is listed and labeled by a recognized testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories to meet local electrical codes. When installing SER connectors, follow these best practices. Firstly, prepare the cable. Carefully strip the outer jacket of the SER cable to expose the conductors, being careful not to damage the insulation. Secondly, clean the conductors. Remove any dirt or debris from the conductors to ensure a good electrical connection. Thirdly, insert the cable into the connector. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for inserting the cable into the connector. Ensure the cable is fully seated and properly aligned. Fourthly, tighten the connector. Use a torque wrench to tighten the connector to the manufacturer's specified torque. Over-tightening can damage the connector or the cable, while under-tightening can lead to a loose connection. Fifthly, secure the connector. Secure the connector to the enclosure using appropriate hardware. Ensure the connector is properly supported to prevent strain on the cable. Sixthly, test the connection. After installation, test the connection for continuity and insulation resistance to ensure it is properly functioning. Modern SER connector designs offer several improvements over older designs. These improvements include, firstly, enhanced sealing. Many modern connectors feature multiple sealing points to provide a watertight and dust-tight seal. Secondly, improved strain relief. Modern connectors often incorporate strain relief mechanisms to prevent the cable from being pulled or twisted, which can damage the conductors. Thirdly, faster installation. Quick connect terminals and pre-lubricated seals can significantly reduce installation time. Fourthly, compact size. Modern connectors are often more compact than older designs, making them easier to install in tight spaces. Fifthly, wider cable range. Some modern connectors are designed to accommodate a wider range of cable sizes, reducing the need for multiple connector types. Specific types of modern SER connectors include, firstly, insulated grounding bushings. These bushings provide a secure grounding connection and protect the cable from abrasion. Secondly, liquid-tight connectors. These connectors are designed to prevent water and other liquids from entering the enclosure. Thirdly, compression connectors. These connectors use a compression mechanism to create a secure connection. Fourthly, set screw connectors. These connectors use set screws to secure the cable to the connector. Fifthly, snap-on connectors. These connectors feature a snap-on design for quick and easy installation. When selecting a specific type of SER connector, consider the following factors. Firstly, the type of enclosure. Type of enclosure will determine the type of connector that can be used. Secondly, the environment. The environment will determine the environmental rating required for the connector. Thirdly, the cable size. The cable size will determine the size of the connector required. Fourthly, the installation location. The installation location may have specific code requirements for SER connectors. Fifthly, the budget. The budget will determine the price range of connectors that can be considered. In summary, selecting and installing modern SCR connectors requires careful consideration of several factors. By following best practices and choosing the right connector for the application, one can ensure a safe, reliable, and code-compliant electrical installation. Remember to always consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about SCR connector selection or installation. They can provide valuable guidance and ensure that the work is done safely and correctly. Also, always refer to the National Electrical Code, or NEC, for the latest requirements. For example, NEC Article 310.15 covers ampacity calculations for conductors. NEC Section 250.118 specifies acceptable grounding conductors. NEC Table 310.16 provides ampacity ratings for insulated conductors. These and other NEC sections are essential for ensuring a safe and compliant electrical installation. Always verify local codes and regulations, as they may differ from the NEC. Local jurisdictions may have specific amendments or additions to the NEC that must be followed. Furthermore, continuous education and training are crucial for staying up to date with the latest electrical codes and best practices. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and regulations being introduced regularly. By investing in education and training, one can ensure that they are providing the safest and most efficient electrical services possible. This commitment to excellence will not only benefit the individual but also contribute to the overall safety and reliability of the electrical grid. The proper selection and installation of SCR connectors is an integral part of a safe and reliable electrical system. By taking the time to understand the different types of connectors available and following best practices, one can ensure that their electrical installations are up to code and will provide years of trouble-free service. Remember to prioritize safety and always consult with a qualified electrician if needed. A well-executed electrical installation is a testament to skill, knowledge, and a commitment to excellence.